And for those of you that are new to the Foundation Room, what do we do here? What is the Foundation Room all about? Well, the Foundation Room is just simply a room for beginners. All right, if you're green, you don't know anything about trading or stocks or options, this is where you come to get that training. We go over the basics for each room, what the core components, what you need to know in order to understand what's happening in the room, and then we consider some lingo. There's trader lingo, talk about the markets, terminology used that you may not quite understand. We cover that right here in the Foundation Room. Remember, Foundation Room is a question-friendly environment. If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to ask. I pride myself here in the Foundation Room on answering those basic questions. And so we'll get started here with our first presentation. It'll be about where to start. Where do I begin?